today's trading idea, we have three. Let's start. The first one will be Alfin. We highlight a banking name. One reason because we think one of the reason the stock consolidation since July has ended. The stock up here has built some kind of the new baseline within and 1 ringgit and 90 cent. If you can see the stock was consolidated right within the what we call that rectangle pattern. This baseline was pretty firm above the 38.2 Fibonacci level, and you can see still creating a series of new higher low structure. Yesterday breakout, however, on the back of high trading volume, has effectively killed, I would say, kickstart a new upcycle, has ended the recent consolidation, and we expect a new upcycle to continue further. The reading was pretty much backed by a spike in RSI. You can see the RSI also pretty much in consolidation range previously. So that means a spike in overall momentum could actually lift the stock higher. With the next technical target is actually at 2 ringgit 8 cent and 2 ringgit and 24 cent, while support or cut loss level should be below 1 ringgit 88 cent. Then we have BIMB, Bank Islam Malaysia. So one of the reasons why we highlight, because the stock overall trend structure has turned positive, particularly when the stock is actually break out above the the Ichimoku cloud. So the cloud or the Kumo here is actually serve as your futures resistance and support. And in this case, as the stock trading above the cloud, we see the recent decline was pretty much kept within this so-called Kumo, providing some sort of the invisible kinds of support. And the new higher structure was formed, and the stock yesterday again was pretty much create a new breakout move above the red line here represented by the Kijun line. So Kijun line often generate so-called buy signal, and this with improving overall trading volume, a spike in momentum as well. We're expecting the recent uptrend move that starts back in June could continue further. So we think there's decent chance for the stock to trade higher, with the next technical target at 2 ringgit 27 cent and 2 ringgit 50 cent, while the support or cut loss level would be at 2 ringgit. Last but not least will be Next Green Global or NGGB. So one of the reasons why we highlight, because the stock recent consolidation within the cup and handle pattern could be at the tail end. The stock also has formed quite decent what we call that baseline within the multiple moving average here, 20, 50, 100, 200 day moving average, suggesting the overall structure or the support was quite firm. So the baseline over here was being created, and we think there's a decent chance for the upper breakout to occur in near term, particularly when you see a slight build up in the overall momentum and trading volume. Both RSI and MACD is pointing upward, so we think there's a decent chance for the 1 to 3 pattern to be completed, breakout above the cup and the pattern, and trading higher to seek the next technical target at 98 cent and 1 ringgit 9 cent, while the support color level should be below 85 cent.